Hello dear students, I welcome to my YouTube channel Literature Insights, an easy platform to learn English language and literatures in English. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel Literature Insights yet, so please subscribe it by pressing the bell icon for getting further notifications and updates of my coming videos. In this video, I am going to discuss with you 20 very important MCQs on Courage. A poem is written by Anne Sexton. She is an American poet. She has adapted free verse or verse libre form for her writing. Her poetry comes under the category of confessional poetry. So let's explore 20 MCQs on courage. Question number 1. Anne Sexton is one of the well-known poets of. Four options are here: A. America, B. London, C. Canada, D. India. The correct answer of this question is A. America. Anna Sexton is one of the well-known poets of America. Question number 2. Anna Sexton was born in. Four options are here: A. 1925, B. 1926, C. 1927, D. 1928. The students have to select the correct option out of these four options. So let's see the answer of this question, and the correct answer of this question is D. 1928. Question number 3. Anna Sexton was committed suicide on. Again, four options are here: A. 4 October 1974, B. 2 October 1974, C. 3 October 1975, D. 5 October 1976. The correct answer of this question is A. 4 October 1974. Annie Sexton was committed suicide on 4 October 1974. Next question is, the poem Courage appears in. Again, four options are here: A. Transformation, B. The awful rowing toward God, C. All my pretty ones, D. The death notebooks. The correct answer of this question is B. The awful rowing toward God. The poem Courage appears in The awful rowing toward God. Next question, question number 5. It is in the small things we see it. The pronoun it refers to. Again, four options are here: A. The child's first step, B. First time you rode a bike, C. Courage, D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is C. Courage. It is in the small things we see it. The pronoun it refers to or addressed to courage. Question number 6. The child's first stage compared to. Again, four options are here: A. Rock, B. Earthquake, C. Bullets, D. River. The correct answer of this question is B. Earthquake. The child's first stage compared to earthquake. Question number 7. When they called you crybaby or poor or fatty or crazy, the line symbolizes. Again, four options are here: negative aspects of courage, B. having the enough courage to challenge and defy bullies, C. both A and B, D. none of the above. The correct answer of this question is B. having the enough courage to challenge and defy bullies. When they called you crybaby or poor or a fatty or crazy, the line symbolizes that a man having the enough courage to challenge or defy bullies. Question number 8. The child's first step as awesome as an earthquake. The line is an example of. So now here the student has to identify figures of speech is used in the sentence. Here are four options: A. Simile, B. Personification, C. Alliteration, D. Metaphor. The correct answer of this question is A. Simile. The child's first step as awesome as an earthquake. The line is an example of simile. Question number 9. The first section of the poem Courage stands for. Again, four options are here: A. Childhood, B. Adulthood, C. Middle age, D. Old age. The correct answer of this question is A. Childhood. The first section or a stanza of the poem Courage stands for or addresses for childhood. Question number 10. Which universal example is used by Sexton to deal with courage? Again, four options are here. A. To ride horse. B. To ride bike. C. To ride plane. D. To ride ship. And the correct answer of this question is B. To ride bike. To ride bike is an universal example used by Annie Sexton to deal with courage. Question number 11. Which word is used by Annie Sexton for the horrible oppressor? Again, four options are here. A. Crybaby. B. Fatty. C. Crazy. D. Their acid. The correct answer of this question is D. Their acid. Their acid is a word used by Annie Sexton for the horrible oppressor. Question number 12. The second stanza of the poem refers to. Again, four options are here. A. Childhood. B. Adulthood. C. Old age. D. Middle age. The correct answer of this question is B. Adulthood. The second stanza of the poem refers to adulthood. Question number 13. In the second stanza of the poem, the poet describes courage of. Again, four options are here. A. Boy. B. Man. C. Soldier. D. Woman. The correct answer of this question is C. Soldier. In the second stanza of the poem, the poet describes courage of soldier. Question number 14. According to Sexton, the misery comes into individual's life because of. Four options are here. A. Love and hate. B. Depression and illness. C. Diversity. D. All the above. The correct answer of this question is D. All the above. According to Annie Sexton, the misery comes into individual's life because of love and hate, depression and illness, and diversity. These are the significant elements to create misery into individual's life. Question number 15. In the last stanza of the poem, Sexton focuses on, again four options here. A. Old age. B. Death. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is C. Both A and B. In the last stanza of the poem, Annie Sexton focuses on old age and death. Question number 16. In what genre of poetry is Annie Sexton typically classified? Four options are here. A. Realist. B. Confessional. C. Surrealist. D. Imagery. The correct answer of this question is B. Confessional. Annie Sexton's poetry is typically classified under the category of confessional poetry. Question number 17. What is the breath of life? Again, four options. A. Courage. B. Confidence. C. Acceptance. D. Rejection. The correct answer of this question is courage. Obviously, the courage is the breath of life. The courage plays a significant role in the life of an individual. In the same manner, the breath plays a significant role in the human body. Question number 18. The poem Courage is divided into blank sections. Again, four options are here. A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer of this question is C4. The poem Courage is divided into four sections. Question number 19. Annie Sexton describes different phases of an individual life. Again, four options are here. A. Childhood. B. Adulthood. C. Middle age and old age. D. All the above. And the correct answer is D. All the above. Annie Sexton describes different phases of an individual life like childhood, adulthood, middle age and old age. So these are the four significant sections described in the poem of Annie Sexton, Courage. Question number 20. Which literary devices is used by Annie Sexton in her poem Courage? Again, four options are here. A. Metaphor. B. Simile. C. Imagery. D. All the above. The correct answer of this question is D. All the above. Metaphor, simile and imagery is used by Annie Sexton in her poem Courage. So these are the 20 very important MCQs on a poem Courage is written by Annie Sexton. So these MCQs will be helpful for the learners of English language and literature in preparation of their examination. I hope you understand all the MCQs explored by me in this video. If you have any query, any question regarding these MCQs, you can comment me in my comment box.